Are you coming to Da Nang for a short stay and want to make the most of your time? No worries. I've put together the perfect itinerary so you can experience the best of the city in just 48 hours. With paradise beaches, stunning views, and an epic food tour, you're going to love it. I've planned a two-part itinerary. The first day focuses on exploring the city, its beaches, and its vibrant nightlife, while the second day is all about nature and adventure. And here's a pro tip. To make the most of your time and avoid unnecessary delays, rent a scooter or use Grab. It's the best way to get around here. Let's go! Day 1. Urban vibes and a magical sunset. Nothing beats starting the day with a delicious Vietnamese breakfast. You've got two must-tries here. Banh mi, a crispy and flavorful sandwich, or a steaming bowl of pho, Vietnam's traditional noodle soup. If you're looking for the real deal, head to Banh Mi Ba Lan, a local institution. Next, it's time to explore the city center. Take a stroll along the Han River, a great spot for a relaxing morning walk. Right nearby, you can't miss the Pink Cathedral of Da Nang, one of the most Instagrammable places in town. Then, head over to Han Market, where you'll be surrounded by local scents, sounds, and culture. If you're feeling peckish, grab some Vietnamese street snacks like fruit skewers or stuffed mini pancakes. By now it's lunchtime. A specialty of central Vietnam that you shouldn't miss is Mi Quang. If you're looking for a great local spot, I highly recommend Mi Quang 85 or Madame Lan. You can't go wrong. For the afternoon, it's time to unwind. Head to Mai Key Beach, a vast stretch of soft sand and turquoise water. If you're in the mood for some action, try a surfing lesson. The waves here are perfect for beginners and it's super accessible. Otherwise, just chill on a beach lounger, cocktail in hand, and soak up the vibes. As the afternoon winds down, grab a spot at a beach club to watch the sunset. It's a magical moment. Once night falls, make your way to one of Da Nang's icons, the Dragon Bridge. If you're in town on the weekend, don't miss the fire-breathing show every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 9 p.m. It's pretty spectacular. While waiting, take a stroll through the Suntra Night Market, a great place to grab a snack and pick up some souvenirs. If you still have energy, end the night in style at the Helio Night Market. It's a vibrant explosion of colors, music, and flavors, with live concerts and endless street food stalls. If you prefer something more laid back, head to a rooftop bar downtown for a drink with panoramic views of the city lights. Sky 36 is one of the most famous spots, and it's totally worth it. Day 2. Adventure and nature. Day 2 starts with a bit of adventure. First stop, the Marble Mountains, mystical hills filled with caves, pagodas, and Buddhist temples. The climb is a bit steep, but the view from the top is absolutely breathtaking. The peaceful atmosphere here makes you want to just pause and take it all in. After this little excursion, it's time for a well-deserved meal. And what better way to refuel than with a seafood feast? In Da Nang, you'll find some of the freshest shrimp, crab, and clams in the country. A hidden gem for this is Nam Dan Seafood, a local favorite that's off the beaten path but totally worth it. In the afternoon, it's time for an even wilder adventure. Head to the Sun Tra Peninsula, also known as Monkey Mountain. As the name suggests, you're likely to encounter some curious monkeys along the way. One of the must-see spots here is Ban Co Peak. The climb is a bit challenging, but the panoramic view from the top is simply stunning. One of the best places to admire the entire city from above. On the way back down, make a stop at Lin Ung Pagoda. This is where you'll find the gigantic Lady Buddha statue, watching over Da Nang from the cliffs. The place is incredibly serene, perfect for a short break before heading back. To wrap up the day in the best way possible, I highly recommend catching the sunset at one of the peninsula's secret beaches. It's a magical experience, far from the city's hustle and bustle. Final night in Da Nang. For your last night in Da Nang, you have two options. If you're in the mood for a luxurious dining experience, check out La Maison 1888, one of the city's most prestigious restaurants, perfect for an unforgettable meal. If you're looking for something more authentic and cozy, Bep Hen is an amazing choice, serving delicious traditional Vietnamese dishes. And to finish your trip with a bang, why not go on a bar crawl in the An Thuong district? This area is a hotspot for travelers and expats with a super chill vibe. Don't miss Funky Donkey, one of the most fun bars in town, perfect for meeting new people and wrapping up your 48-hour adventure in style. And that's a wrap. 48 action-packed hours in Da Nang. With its beaches, nature, street food, and nightlife, I hope this itinerary helps you make the most of your visit. Have you been to Da Nang before? If so, what was your favorite spot? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next adventure.